What is happening? Welcome back to the channel. Hope everyone out there is doing good. So we're gonna be getting started on this here part 2. This how to remove your D series out of EF chassis car there. So you're gonna loosen up the top bolt there for the upper control arm, the lower tie rod, and then or the outer tie rod I mean, and then you're gonna have 14 up here on the shock tower fork, and then you're gonna have a couple of 12s that are holding on your brake lines, and this 10 and this 10 right here, you're gonna want to loosen up all those just so you get the most play out of your knuckle there. And then you're gonna want to loosen the 14 before you loosen the bottom two 17s, and yeah, we'll come back after that. Alright, so that's where we're going to end it tonight, you guys. I got rid of all the suspension components, removed the axles, and I also got rid of the lower cross member there, slash traction bar, whatever people are calling that. Next video is going to be about strictly engine-based stuff, getting rid of the AC lines in here, and then doing the wiring harness, and then finally removing the mounts so I can get this motor dropped out and this other one swapped in. So hopefully I can still stick to the time frame of at most 5 parts to the series, and I'm gonna try to keep them all within like 5 to 10 minutes for you guys. So stay tuned for all of that. If you got any questions or comments or whatever, drop them below or hit me up on Instagram at ForRealTime. That's gonna do it for this video, guys. Peace out.